As you can see, this shift knob in my 2011 Cruze is split and weird and just all around jacked up. The parts counter at my local Chevy dealer, they want to sell me the entire shifter assembly, all of it, for about $130, which isn't awful. But for just wanting to replace just the shift knob doesn't seem like the best option. So I went on eBay and found one out of China. $20 out of China. I guess I'll find out if it works or not. So, take this old one off. Yep, kind of gross. Put this new one on. Turn it one more time. There we go. Nice and tight. Huh. Well, it's a great fit. Very similar to the original. Well, there we go. Not so bad. Overall, I think it's worth the $20.